जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी.
So, we have with us Tanay Bhaiya running for the post of head boy. What are your ideas and aspirations when you become the head boy?
Well, I aim to introduce things like carnivals and fests, which I think that will bring all the children together.
That's wonderful to hear. So, we wish you all the best for your campaigning. Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey.
Good morning everyone. Today we welcome you to day 2 of our election campaign.
So first we have Dhruv Bhaiya, who is standing for the post of sports captain. So how was your how was your day 2 of the election campaign?
It's good. It is just started now. We have only gone to 2 classes. The children are very sweet. They are giving us support. They are asking doubts, and they are generally very supportive. They are not making nuisance, and they are very supportive.
So what's your agenda if you become the sports captain?
My agenda, if I become the sports captain, is to increase the number of participation in sports, because sports provides you very much sports has very much talent. It also provides you good physical and mental health. If you do sports with your studies, it can enhance your studies also, because it gives it refreshes your mind. I want to increase the number of participation of sports in our school. I myself is a member of our school's football team. I have represented our school at a national level. I have seen that in our junior batch there is a raw talent. There is very much raw talent. And when I was in the 6th, 7th class, I was given many opportunities by my seniors. So I also want to give the opportunities to the junior batch so that they can nurture their talent. They can also represent our school at national level, district level, because representing your school gives you a lot of confidence, motivates yourself to participate, it builds your personality also.
Thank you.
अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी, ऐसी जीत अब चाहे जिंदगी है.
Good morning everyone. As we know, today is D-Day, the final day of the voting process where our senior voters from classes 10 to 12 cast their votes.
This is a very special day for us, as today the voting for classes 10 to 12 will take place through EVM made by our very own websites.
ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम ना आए, हम ना आए, ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए, ऐसी जिंदगी हम छिप छिपाए, हम ना आए, हम ना आए.
So how was the overall organization of the voting process, and did you like it?
Yeah, I liked it very much, and it was a very new thing that I experienced today because I've not done this thing before.
Thank you.
How was your overall experience of using the EVM? Were you comfortable with it?
Yeah, it was very nice. Well, it was the first time using it, so a bit confusing, but the students helped us, so it was nice.
It was a fun experience, like it was our first time using it, and there was no problem with anything.
How did you like the overall election process?
It was nice, people came and told what their manifesto was, and it was, that we were getting to know them.
Thank you for your feedback. Thank you.
ऐसी जीत छिप छिपाए, ऐसी जीत हम न पाए.
The elected members of the Student Council elections 2024-25 are
ऐसी जीत ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए, ऐसी ना छिप छिपाए, ना छिप छिपाए.
It has to be fair and just selection. Second, everyone